Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, in today's video, I am going over 20 apps that pay Uber and Lyft drivers. So if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you're looking for a way to make extra money, here are 20 opportunities, 20 apps that you can try out to start earning extra income. So please thumbs up the video, comment down below any apps that you might use as well that I could add to the next list, and make sure you're subscribed. Before we jump in, if you're looking for a new way to make money, there is an incredible opportunity to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something I've personally been doing for over 5 years, and this is how I was able to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now in SoCal. And I wanted to just share my earnings with you guys. If you click the link below, it'll take you to teach you exactly how to set it up. This is my earnings so far this year, just over 10,000 bucks a month. If you go to last year, over $10,000. It's only May so far, that's why it's only 57K. But if you go to last year, I made over $120,000. Some days making over 1,000 bucks a day. So if you want to learn how to do it, click the link below. It's really easy to do. Anybody can do it, and I know you can. You just need to put in some hard work, but you can make 10,000 bucks a month on faceless YouTube channels, and it'll become passive over time. So there's a 30-day free trial right now when you sign up with my link to learn how to do it, and I'm the one teaching you. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first way to make money is on TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is a incredible way that a lot of people are making extra money right now, and it's simply by promoting products like this or like this. I mean, there's so many countless different products that you can promote now, but it's a really easy way to get started. I do have a link below teaching you how to set this up because it's a way that I've personally been making a lot of money on. And as you can see, this is just my page. I promote this little retractable charger on my page, and you know, you can make a couple thousand bucks a month really easily just by making these little short quick videos. I also have a weigh scale thing that I'm promoting, and I get around $14 every time someone buys it, and it's only 40 bucks. So I just weigh different types of food. Like I'm doing this series where I'm just weighing different foods. I'm doing In-N-Out, I did Starbucks, I did crumble cookies. I've also done strawberries, milk, chicken, and watermelon. I've noticed that the unhealthier foods do better, and you know, I've gotten sales with this. So check out the link below for TikTok Shop. That's a really good way. A lot of people are making money right now. All right, so the next one is YouTube. I already went over this a little bit, but YouTube, the faceless YouTube channel method is a really good way to make money. Again, you don't need to show your face. When you go to my link below, you'll see how it works. It's a way that, you know, this is on a different channel than I showed you at the beginning of the video. But yeah, this is exactly how I was able to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now. And basically a faceless YouTube channel is, you know, just a YouTube channel where, you know, there's so many different ideas. I'm sure I could just stumble upon one right here. But yeah, there's just like, I mean, CBS, obviously that's not faceless, but it looks like I don't really follow any faceless YouTube channels. But you can basically set up a faceless YouTube channel where you're not really, you know, showing your face, but you're just like managing a channel that makes faceless videos, and you can make a lot of money that way, over 10K a month. Ooh, I want to watch this video later. I gotta save this one. I love YouTube, as you can tell. It's a really good way to make money as well. The next one, work solo. If you sign up with their link below, immediately they'll send you $10 when you sign up and link your gig account. And also when you sign up, they will help you do your taxes. But not only that, guys, they will pay you when you go out and do a shift and you don't make the dollar amount. So let's say you're doing you know, DoorDash or Instacart or Amazon Flex. If you don't make this dollar amount, they will pay you the difference. So a lot of drivers are utilizing this to make sure that they are getting paid when they're going out and doing their rides. Okay, so the next one is really good. It's Play Octopus. We have a link below as well for this. When you use our link, you'll get a free tablet. But basically, it's a way for you to make up to an extra $100 a month simply by putting these this tablet in your car, and it plays ads. But it not only does it play ads, the passengers can play games, little trivia games, and they win cash prizes when they get the answers correct. So your passengers love it. You get more tips, higher ratings, and you also get paid extra too. So click the link below for that. And I believe they are also nationwide now, so you can actually do it from anywhere in the country, including Toronto, Canada. That's pretty cool. Okay, the next one is Upside. Upside is a gas app where basically when you get gas, groceries, and food, they will give you cash back. Some of these are actually pretty good. I mean, you're already filling up so much gas anyway. You might as well get, you know, money like this one, $370 per month. Oh, if you're spending $370 a month in gas, you could get, I mean, let's say as an Uber driver, you're probably spending at least like $600 a month in gas. Maybe let's just do $500. You're gonna get at least $10 back. I mean, hey, that's $120 a year that you could get. I mean, this stuff adds up for sure. The next one, this is one you can make a lot of money, is on Turo. Basically, when you're not using your ride sharing car, you can rent out your car so that, you know, and you can rent out your car on specific windows if you have two cars. Or if, let's say you drive Monday through Friday Uber, but on the weekends you don't drive, you can put your car on Turo. Somebody will literally come pick it up on that Friday and drop it off Sunday night, so that way you can, you know, clean it, get gas, and drive it again on Monday morning for Uber and Lyft. So I like Turo because of how flexible they are. Okay, the next one is Rapify. This is a app that pays Uber and Lyft drivers to wrap up their car with ads. And I heard you can make like up to $500 a month with this. I've never personally used it, but honestly, I would. Maybe I should try this out for a video. Look at this. Help gig workers save money by creating personalized promotions for a network. So they have 400,000 rideshare and delivery drivers? Wow, that's crazy. I did not realize they have so many drivers who use this. Access a network of 400,000 rideshare delivery and gig workers nationwide. Yeah, so apparently a lot of gig workers make a lot of extra money with this. This is for the advertisers. So the advertisers pay Rapify, and then you as a driver get a good cut. So yeah, definitely check them out. I actually have personally spoken with the CEO of Rapify. He's a really nice guy. Hire a car, rent a car for rideshare delivery and more. Drive for your needs, earn on your terms. So this one, you can rent a car for rideshare, but also you can rent out your car for somebody else to do rideshare with. And let's just see the prices. So, well, I'm not gonna sign up. But yeah, you can make extra money renting out your car with Hire Car. So check that one out for sure. The next one, Shopify. Shopify is a really easy way to make money online by drop shipping. They make it super easy to drop ship. So definitely check that out. I do have a link below also teaching you how to do Shopify dropshipping, because I've made a lot of money with Shopify dropshipping. Like, I think I've made like $7,000 a month in a month doing this. So it's really easy to honestly set up. There's so many apps now that integrate with Shopify to make it super easy. The next one is Referral Car. This is another, oh, I guess they changed now to sticker.co. Stick it on, drive, get paid. Yeah, they actually changed now, I guess, 50 to 75 bucks. Is it the same Referral Car, or? I guess, yeah, I guess they changed it to sticker now. But basically, you can sign up to be a driver. How'd you hear about us? From a YouTube video?
You drive your car past thousands of people every day as you run errands, go to work, school, and travel. And let's face it, you're to pass thousands at 1 month. It's over $800 every month.
Wow, you can make $800 a month with this? That's actually pretty good. Yeah, check out Sticker, guys. Really interesting. Okay, and again, I'm not gonna go into super huge depth with these because I'm just trying to give you guys ideas, and then you can do it on, like, do more research on your own. But a lot of these I have actually heard of or used myself. Rover, I know people who do this. This is dog walking. So this is perfect for Uber and Lyft drivers because, you know, you're sitting driving all day, get some exercise, and make money at the same time by doing dog walking. Okay, the next one is Dolly. If you like to move stuff, sign up to be a Dolly delivery guy. And you can, you know, Dolly app. I've actually personally used this as a consumer, but basically the way it works is somebody needs a couch moved from, like, or I've only used it when I was like buying something off Facebook Marketplace and I couldn't, like, I bought a fridge one time and I don't have a way to transport a fridge, so I paid somebody on Dolly like 70 bucks or 80 bucks to, like, get a fridge delivered. I think actually somebody was giving it away for free on Facebook, and I was like, you know, it's obviously cheaper to pay like 80 bucks to get it delivered on Dolly and get the free fridge than go out and buy a $2,000 fridge from Lowe's. So, but if you like, you know, if you like lifting stuff, and it's not just like fridges, it's like couches, chairs, it's honestly just for people who, like, don't have a truck, who, like, want something that should fit in a truck. Like, if you're, a lot of times it'll just be like a dining table that it's like not even heavy, but it's just like the configuration doesn't fit in someone's car. Or like chairs, for instance. So check out Dolly. I mean, it honestly could be a good option for anybody. TaskRabbit is the next one. I'm sure you guys know about TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit's cool because you can set, like, oh, not Thumbtack. TaskRabbit's cool because they have different services. Like, you can sign up to be literally painting, like, anybody, like, you can learn how to paint or do cleaning, mounting like TVs, moving, that's another one, or assembly, like general furniture assembly. Like, a lot of times, I've actually done this before. I hired somebody to assemble computer chairs because for whatever reason I bought like 4 computer chairs and I was like, I just didn't feel like setting them all up because, you know, it takes a couple hours. I mean, it takes like probably 30 minutes to do one, and I had like 4 chairs. So I paid someone on TaskRabbit to do it for me because I was like busy and I needed it done, and so I just, you know, sometimes I hired it out. I've also hired out somebody to mount my TV. I actually hired somebody to mount this TV because, you know, it's above a fireplace, it's a huge TV, it's a flat screen. I didn't want to mess it up. And quite frankly, I suck at stuff like that, you know? I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. So, but if you're good at stuff like that, go on TaskRabbit and you can chart, like, I paid some guy like 75 bucks an hour to do this, and I had him do this and then the TV in my other room too. And, you know, I think he made like 150 bucks doing that, and I paid him, like, anyways. But you can also do other stuff too. So check that out. The next one is Hover. Hover is an app that pays drivers 100% of the fares. I'm sure you've heard about this because they go pretty viral right now. They're going pretty viral, but basically it's a membership-based service. So you sign up to be a driver and you keep 100% of the fares. The only caveat is you have to pay 20 bucks a month to be a driver. And that's how they make money. And then they also make like $1 per ride. Okay, the next one is the Black Wolf app. This is another driving platform. You can be a driver if you have experience in law enforcement, military, or security sector. You can sign up to be a driver here and make good money. So check it out. You must have 4 years of experience in the military or 4 years in law enforcement or security sector. So they're basically armed drivers. It's a safety thing. So check that out. Obviously not a lot of people will qualify for that one. Sweatcoin. This is a way for you to make money just walking. It's legit. You can try it out if you want. Become an influencer. Interesting. I guess, maybe I should try this out. Become an influencer. Earn cash and rewards when someone joins Sweatcoin from your unique link. Yeah, I mean, I would maybe even look into just doing this, promoting this. The next one, fetch rewards. You can make money. Oh, not this. You can make money. This is cash back stuff with receipts. So if you're doing like Uber Eats and you get a lot of receipts or Instacart, you just take a picture of it and they literally pay you money for like receipts you're already getting, or like your gas and stuff. The next one, Survey Junkie. We do have a link below for Survey Junkie. Click our link below and you actually get paid to fill out surveys. They're super easy surveys, so you know you can do it on during your free time or in between rides. Fiverr. This one, you can make money literally doing like writing, consulting, AI services, program, digital marketing. You know, if you're good at like different things, like if you're good at like TikTok, or if you're good at like, you know, writing, you know, you can use your services for that. Okay, and the very last one is Instacart. I'm sure you guys have heard of it, but again, this is a really good way to make extra money by switching it up, because again, you're driving Uber and Lyft all day. It's good to get some exercise and walk around the grocery stores. You'll burn a lot of calories this, and you can, you know, switch it up. So anyways, those are the 20 apps. Let me know if you have any thoughts or questions on this. And again, check out my link below for the Faceless YouTube channel program. And it's a really easy way to start making passive income, and you can make over 10,000 bucks a month. This is on one of my channels that brought in over $200,000. And you know, you can start the 30-day free trial right now. Try it out and see if you like it. And if you don't, you can cancel, but anybody can do it. It can change your life. And you know, it changed mine. I was able to buy this house. I know it was an orange house. I didn't care. I painted it when I bought it. Actually, I can just show you what it looked like after I painted it. Now it's white. But that's the house I'm sitting in right now, you know. And it's, you know, I was able to buy this house in SoCal, and it has a big yard, which I personally like the yard a lot. And, you know, I just did it from doing YouTube and doing TikTok. And if you want to learn how to do this, guys, you know, I make money right off my phone. I've been doing this for 5 years. This is not something I just started. This is a proven method that I've been doing. I've taught other people how to do the Faceless YouTube channel method too. So click the link below. Again, try it out for 30 days. If you don't like it, you can cancel. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk soon.